biggest drift. We've got huge drifts that are forming around our house. I'm going to show you some right now. Right there. Of course, we're in the backyard, and that's up toward the house. But here's the backyard. Of course, the dogs have a condo out back, so they're cool. Indy's in with us, but our lab who likes snow in his nice straw stuffed doghouse. It's blowing really, really hard and freezing my face, so snow's in my eyes, can't see. So I'm going back in. Bye.